Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to export page and child pages in Confluence. So as you can see, this is my parent page and these are my child pages. The mistake a lot of people make, they come here at the top right, click on these three dots, click on export, and then click on export to PDF. All that does is just export the parent page. What you need to do is go to your space, okay? And then here at the right hand side, you'll see three dots, click on that and then click on space settings. Okay. Now when space settings loads up, what I need you to do here from the left hand panel, I want you to look for this option right here. So let me scroll down. It says right here, export space. Okay. Click on that. Choose your file format. I'll use PDF and then scroll down and then click on selected content. Okay. And now I'll choose my page with the child pages. So go get this drop down. It's here, right here under company info. So this is the parent page and these are the child pages. So I'll just select the parent page. It should automatically select the child pages. Okay, click on export space. There we go. And now these pages are being exported. Now, as soon as this is done, you'll be able to get the PDF. All right, our PDF is ready to go. You can click here on download and it will automatically download right here. Now let's open the PDF and we will have more pages. There we go. This is our parent page. These are all child pages, as you can see right here. Really that easy, and that is how to export page and child pages in Confluence.